Welcome to this video overview of the Samsung Galaxy F56 5G. This device is being marketed as a slim performance powerhouse, featuring a hyper-thin 0.7 cm design and slated for a 2025 hardware release. Let's look at the key features that define this device. It boasts a 120Hz Super AMOLED Plus display, is powered by the Exynos 1480 processor with 8 GB of RAM, includes a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, and offers a 6-year lifecycle update guarantee. The F56 5G is built with architectural integrity, weighing exactly 180 grams. It includes secure in-display fingerprint recognition and features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for enhanced scratch resistance and fall endurance of up to 2 meters. The display is a 6.7-inch FHD Super AMOLED Plus panel. It delivers a 120Hz refresh rate, a resolution of 1920 by 1080, and a density of 401 pixels per inch for a smooth and crisp visual experience. Under the hood, the device is driven by the Exynos 1480 chip, with an octa-core architecture clocked at 2 GHz. It is paired with 8 GB of RAM for multitasking and offers 128 GB of internal storage, which is fully expandable. For photography, the triple lens array includes an 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP primary no-shake cam with AI-powered stabilization, and a 2MP macro lens. It also supports 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second. The front of the phone houses a 12 megapixels photo sensor designed for clear video calls. The camera system also features an integrated 2x zoom portrait mode that utilizes depth mapping algorithms to isolate subjects. Powering the device is a 5000 mAh battery engineered to handle heavy 5G and high refresh rate usage. It supports 45W Type-C fast charging to help minimize downtime when recharging. Samsung promises a 6-year future-proof guarantee. This includes 6 generations of OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates, ensuring the device remains current with the latest software ecosystem through 2031. Comparing the Galaxy F56 5G to standard mid-range offerings, it stands out with its 120Hz AMOLED Plus display, Victus Plus glass shielding, extended 6-year software support, and 4K video capture capabilities. The Galaxy F56 5G is priced at 28,999 rupees. It has received positive feedback from users, currently maintaining a 4.6 out of 5-star rating based on verified reviews, and is available with flexible purchasing options like no-cost EMI.